Today, June 13th, Thursday. I took four trades. Two were break even, one was a small win, and one was a loss. And I'm down 300 on the day. So I'll be showing you what I saw going to today. So 9:30 was right here. 9:30. So we had PPIs this morning. We took out this high and we came all the way down here. And my bias was very short because this was what I saw. We had equal lows right here, these equal lows, and we had low resistance liquidity build up from overnight. So I was looking for these to get taken out, which it did. But the first trade I took, it was right here when 9:30 opened. We came down, we broke structure, we closed under. So I thought we were gonna immediately come down and take out all of these. We swept these highs before coming down lower. So I just entered right there on my stop somewhere up here, and I got stopped out. That was my first loss. The second trade I took was right here. Came to the put it up here, and I was targeting this. And this was my break even because we came up. I think we had a SMT here. Yeah, where is it? Do we have an SMT? I don't. Nope, never mind. We don't have SMT, but we took these highs up here. We tapped into this 1 minute imbalance right up here. I lied. It was right here. Came up, respect to that. Come down, some displacement, leaving fair value gap. Enter right there. Tap to the tick. Zero drawdown. And we had a big displacement due to this low, so I was pretty confident we were coming down. So I put my stop at break even, and I got stopped out because price wasn't efficient, because it shouldn't come up if we have the displacement down lower. We should immediately come to these low resistance. So after we came up, we had a turtle soup. This was the entry I missed because immediately having the turtle soup, stopping the traders out, so me taking my stops out, we ran through this bull fair value gap and created an inverse. We closed under, we ran through this and we created a fair value gap. So I mean, you could say you could enter right here, but I didn't like how, like, we came all the way back up. I didn't see price as efficient, so I didn't enter on that. But if you did enter, you would have got a pretty good trade, 7 RR, pretty quick, thumb to the downside, so I missed that. And the other trade I took was when we came all the way down here, and we respected this low fair value gap. I just entered down here, and then I saw start going up, and I just exited. It was really stupid trade. I don't know why I took that. I think I took a little loss on that. Yeah, so 2 losses, I guess. And the next trade is going to be right in the PM. So my trade was right here, somewhere around here. I forgot, but I know it was in the PM right here. Came down. Dude, I forgot. Does it show? Nah, it's the end of the day. I don't think it. Yeah, it doesn't show, but I was somewhere around here. I want to see this low resistance get taken before. I'm pretty sure it was just the inverse. My stops up here. Oh, I forgot. I need to do these sooner. but I came all the way down, and it was SMT, and I put my stop a little bit under, so I didn't get stopped by break even. I was in like $100 profit after I got stopped out, but yeah, I came up, started chopping. And what I learned today is I need to check ES because I hate how the price moves, but sometimes they have really good price action. Like today, the ones I missed, like this one. So we came down, we swept this low, right? We just had an SMT with NQ because NQ didn't take this low. It was on a higher time frame sweep. Yeah, it did this low right here. It didn't get taken. So we came down, we took this low, and we swept the low again. So this is our internal sweep. We can go down lower time frame. This external sweep, internal sweep. We got this displacement through this high. So you could say your entry was right here, or somewhere down here. I mean, it could be right here. You had a lot of opportunities, but I didn't check ES on the bigger time frame because I was looking for like SMTs and stuff on a small time frame, and I was still short bias on NQ, and that's what I learned today to check ES as well. And the second trade I lost because we had SMT, so I shouldn't be looking for shorts. I should be looking for longs after we had this SMT. So I kind of deserved that loss, but after we came down, we swept that, and we had a unicorn, 15-minute unicorn. If you didn't enter it down here, you could have a second chance enter right here. Unicorn, breaker, fair value gap entry. Go down the lower time frame, and this is our unicorn breaker. Come down. We swept these low, and we had an SMT right here with NQ. This is a perfect setup. I didn't see until after the market ends, and I was pretty mad at myself for not checking it. So come down. We had a SMT right here. NQ took the low. ES didn't. So you could enter right there after you see the big wick. Boom. Wrong one. Boom. Have my stop right below that, and then target this high up here, which I got hit later on. Yeah, I'm pretty disappointed in myself, but at least I learned something new. I'm down 300 on the day. The whole account have 5,200, I think. 5,200. Yep, 5,200. I lost it all. I didn't. I'm pretty mad about it today, but it's all my fault for not checking it. But I learned my lesson. So tomorrow, I'll be very bullish since we had this higher time for SMT, and ES has these highs that didn't get taken. So I want these equal highs to be the draw going to tomorrow, and maybe come down, take this, tap in a 1 hour before we go any higher and hold this. Hopefully hold it to continue higher towards the upside. Boom, boom, internal sweep, and then higher, something like that. But yeah, I do hope we come down to fill these imbalances that we left. Maybe not this week, definitely not this week, but next week definitely. Hoping it would come down to fill it. We're very bullish on the higher time frame, the weekly and the daily, but I want to see the daily come down, fill this before moving higher. And same goes for NQ. Yeah, we're pumping hella. Weekly, very bullish. Daily, I'm gonna see us come down, take this, sweep this low before we go any higher, but I don't think we're gonna come back since ESLV took that low and had the S&T. So we'll probably continue higher to all-time highs, previous day high, going to tomorrow. Or we might have a very slow Friday, but I don't know. I will be careful trading going to tomorrow, and I will be looking for longs because yeah, we also held this 4 hour, and we're continuing to the upside. But maybe this whole thing could be a low resistant liquidity, and at 10 a.m. the news can just sweep all this out. But yeah, it's my gut bias going to tomorrow. I hope 9:30 will come down, take all these, and then head to all-time highs. But yeah, that's the trade recap for today. It's pretty long, but